Welcome to all BSc FI student. In this lecture number 4, we have already made a 3 video on a topic chemical bond, valence bond theory by Hitler and London and Pauling and Slater. These 3 lectures we have seen. Now in this video, lecture number 4, we have to learn about the what is meant by the hybridization and why we introduce this concept that we have to learn. Like here, why we need this concept of hybridization, as it is an integral part of the valence bond theory and it gives and actually what happens in the bonding process. Like in a beryllium dichloride, boron trifluoride and methane, the formation of a such molecule by valence bond theory fails because in a beryllium dichloride, boron trifluoride and methane, beryllium in a beryllium dichloride, beryllium is a 0 valent. In a boron trifluoride, boron is monovalent and methane, carbon is divalent. As beryllium, boron and carbon are respectively 0 valent, monovalent and divalent, but still it forms a stable compounds. Like in case of beryllium, it forms the beryllium difluoride and beryllium dichloride, while in case of boron, it forms a stable compounds like boron trifluoride and boron trichloride. Similarly, in case of carbon, it forms a stable compounds like carbon tetrachloride and methyl. So, as beryllium, boron and carbon forms such a stable compounds where beryllium acts as a divalent, boron acts as a trivalent and carbon acts as a tetravalent in their respective compounds. So in order to such a phenomena, we need this concept of the hybridization. Similarly, these anomalies, the need arose to introduce the concept of hybridization. There is a difference between the predicted and observed bond angles and geometry of a beryllium dichloride, boron trifluoride, silicon tetrachloride and phosphorus pentachloride and iodine heptachloride, etc. So here, introducing the concept of hybridization, we can define this hybridization as the process of mixing and recasting of atomic orbitals of nearly same energy of an isolated atom to produce a new set of hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy is called as a hybridization. Means, in order to know this concept, we have to learn these concepts with more example. So this definition of hybridization said that the process of mixing and recasting of atomic orbitals of nearly same energy of an isolated atom. In the molecule, whatever the molecule is there, molecule which is made up of an atom and which having a central atom. That means that central atom having the ability of mixing and recasting of atomic orbital to produce a new set of hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. And whatever that new set of orbital forms are called as the hybrid orbitals. So this is the need, why we need this concept of hybridization. In the next topic, we will learn the rules for the hybridization. Hope so you all get this point. In next video, we will see the rules for the hybridization. Thank you.